Tonight, I name some supercars.
Laerdal, Autofil, Dodge Viper.
A Corvette goes into a tunnel. And I point at some mountains.
Around there.
Morning. It's much earlier than I'd like. We're on a bit of an adventure today. We're heading to Norway for a little road trip from Bergen over some mountains into a fjord. I'll explain on the way. So I've just arrived in Bergen. It's freezing cold. I did not dress well for this weather. I'm in shorts and t-shirt, which is not ideal. Just got to wait for my bag to turn up and probably put a coat on or something. And then I'm going to meet Kai. I've not actually met Kai before. I've been working with him for 3 years, so about time I met him, right? Morning. So I should probably explain what we did yesterday. So I flew from London to Bergen, and then we drove from Bergen through some mountains to Laerdal, to a car-themed hotel owned by Kai's friend Johannes. Now this place, it's like an old style hotel, but it has a ton of supercars which they rent out so you can go on road trips around. That's what we're doing today. It was horrible weather yesterday, so we couldn't really take any of the cars out to go and shoot. There was a Lamborghini Diablo that I actually light painted. I'll just show you a bit of footage from that now. That was amazing in the barn. Like, it had all these Lancer Evos lying around, and then it had a Ferrari 348 over in the corner and a 308 GTB-i in behind me, and an old school Volvo which we actually used as part of the frame for the shot. That was really nice. I was supposed to drive to Diablo, but due to it being a bit wet outside and the roads were like slick with water, didn't really fancy my chances. Bit of a shame, I know. You might call me a pussy, but like, honestly, I'd rather not ruin someone's pride and joy. Weather is much better today. We're actually going on a big road trip. We're going to be starting at the bottom of some mountains and then going up, so hopefully I'll be able to grab some footage for you, but I'm actually there to take photos, so I'll get what I can. Anyway, it's late. I'm late for breakfast, so I'll catch you on the other side. So I was just having my breakfast inside the hotel, and I couldn't see any of this last night because it's so dark and covered in rain and clouds. But outside the hotel, it's just like the most amazing views. Like, check this out. So we're at Johannes' hotel at the rendezvous point. We're just waiting for all the rest of the supercars to turn up right now. People are just washing their cars down. We have
Laerdal, Autofil, Dodge Viper, GT2 RS or GT3 RS, another GT3 RS, 964, 458, 918 Boxster, Diablo, Lotus Elise,
and yeah, many more on the way. So it should be a good day. This is awesome. I saw this E30 M3 at Gatebil. It has a RB26 Skyline engine in it, and it is just beautiful. Look at those work wheels. Woohoo!
driver's briefing has just been over. We're now at the petrol station. Everyone's getting fuel. There is cars pretty much as far as you can see around us. And then we're going on a road trip through the mountains. It should be about 4 or 5 hours. We're going all the way around there and then out onto a road ferry at the end sorry, not a road ferry, a sea ferry, so it'll take us through the fjords and back to the starting point. Should be rad. So I'm sat in the back of Kai's car. We're just waiting for the supercars to get up nice and close. They're coming up that road just down there, and then we'll get some photos. I mean, would you just look at that? So far the road trip is pretty awesome. Scenery has been incredible. We still have a few cars following us. I'm in the back of Kai's car right now. We're heading to a hotel. We're going to go get some lunch, chill out for a bit, and then carry on. Alright, Norway is officially taking the piss. We just stopped at this hotel right here so we can get some dinner. But the scenery around this place, just check this out. I'm pretty certain this entire vlog is just going to me saying like, oh my god, look at that, check this scenery out. I'm sorry for that, but it's like, it really is just impressive to me. Like I've never seen anything like this, and I've always wanted to come and explore this side of Norway. So super stoked for this, and super thankful for this opportunity. Ooh, well, that's where I stopped filming actually. Not much more to tell. We basically got off the ferry and drove straight back to the hotel, where we had... I am shit-faced! Quite a lot to drink. Gotta say, massive thanks to Kai and Autofil Magazine for getting me out there. huge thanks to Johannes for actually organising this event. It was amazing, like the scenery, the cars, the company, the experience. I loved every single second of it, and massive thanks to you guys for sticking around this long. I know it's the longest video I've done to date. Hopefully you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.